Hello Dallas Center Grimes families, there are two new services as part of your nutrition accounts. This video will introduce those changes and show you how to make them in RevTrak. The first change centers on your reminder notifications. This is now an individualized option in your account. If you would like to be notified when your student has $10 left in the account, you can manually choose that amount. Same thing if you'd like that reminder to come when there is $20 remaining. It's important that users have their email address listed in their account settings tab in RevTrak. When it comes to loading money into your account, there are two options. The first is for meals only. This money will only be for complete meals served, pretty standard. The second option is the a la carte bucket, which allows your student to purchase anything, including complete meals, snacks, extra drinks, etc. This option gives your student the option to purchase whatever they would like. It is not necessary to have money in both buckets. We appreciate your help with this change, and we look forward to seeing everyone very soon.